Yesterday you had a pre-test, right, over some division stuff, and everybody freaked out on me because I don't know how to do this.
And
right?
I think we all did that.
You did well. You did very well.
No, we didn't.
Dylan just didn't do it, so.
Oh, I
Okay,
did.
so today we're actually going to go over the steps of how to do long division, multiple step division, where it's more than just, oh, I have 5 divided into 40. Let's see, 5 times 8 is 40, right? We're adding a few more steps. This is where Charles is like, I don't like steps. So, one of your problems from yesterday was 2 into 42. Or 42 divided by 2 is how I would say that. So what I do first is I look to see how many times 2 goes into 4. Whoa, that makes it easier. How many times does 2 go into 4? 2 times. Okay? And I have a little imaginary multiplication sign here, right? It's imaginary. So what I do then is when I figure out how many times 2 goes into this first number, I take 2 times 2, and I get what?
If you want. 2 times 2 is 4.
2 times 2 is 4.
What? No.
Then I subtract. 4 minus 4 is 0. Now, I bring down. So I bring down my 2. 2 goes into 2 how many times? I do the same thing. 2 times 1 is 2. Then I subtract, and I have nothing else to bring down, right?
So what's 0?
So it's 0. My answer
It's 21.
is 21. That's my answer. So my steps then, if I can find a marker that's going to work well, maybe. My steps for division reverse times. That is called division.
Yeah, that's just reverse times.
Divide, or reverse times, as Charles likes to call it. Whatever works for you, I guess.
Sounds like you're going back and
So I divide, then I multiply, right?
Yes.
Then I subtract. That was my next step.
Yes. Then you bring down.
Then I bring down.
Then it repeats.
And then it repeats. It does. It's exactly. So you have 5 steps. So you divide or reverse multiply. You multiply. You subtract. And then you bring down. So let's do 15 divided by 2. Okay, I'm going to walk you through this one, all right? It's a little trickier. I have 2 going into 1. Well, 1's smaller than 2, so 2 can't go into 1, right? So what I could do is I could put an X here, or a 0, or something just to take up that spot, because that doesn't go anywhere. So now I'm going to take 2 and divide it, reverse multiply, whatever, 15. So 2 goes into 15 7 times. Now I have my little multiplication sign there. So 2 times 7, because that's my next step, is 14. So now I subtract. 5 minus 4 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0.
Wait, what?
5 minus 4? 1.
Wait, make it one.
Where are you confused?
Then how did you get the what? No, okay, no, I got it. You did the 4, and then you went over. Okay.
I didn't do it one chunk. I did it ones and then tens. Okay? bring down. I don't have anything to bring down. So this becomes a remainder. So R1. And you have to have that R.
Does it have to be capitalized or
I don't care, as long as you have an R. Because otherwise your answer looks like it's 71.
Oh, look, 71.
And that's not the right answer.
like a
That's
little
wrong,
smudge
isn't it?
right there?
If I have 7 R1, then I know it's 7 remainder 1. Alright, Mackenzie, you're going to walk me through this one. I have 63 divided by 3. What's my first step?
Divide
Okay.
3 times, or 3 divided by 6. No. So
Yeah.
you times the 3.
How many times? What times 3 gives me 6? We're as close to 6 as I can get without going over.
3.
What is 3
No.
times 3? If I put 3 up here, now my next step is to what?
Or times
Multiply or times.
Yeah.
So 3 times 3
is
is
6.
3 times 3. 3,
7,
6.
6, 8, or 7, 8, 9.
9. Can I take? Does that work?
No, I don't.
That doesn't quite work. So it can't be 3 then. It's got to be smaller than 3, right? 2. Okay, try 2. What's 3 times 2? 3.
2,
It's like 3 plus 3.
6.
Okay.
You can do that. So 6 minus 6 is 0. Grab the 3, bring it down. So
How many times does 3 go into 3?
1.
1. Very good. What is 3 times 1?
It's 3. It's 0. So you only have 21.
Very good. So 21 is your answer. 2 times 1 is?
Oh, 2. And then 0.
Oh, Josh, you.
So my answer is
Really struggled with
71.
that one.
Yeah.
Make sense?
No.
You was
No.
struggling.
No.
What doesn't make sense?
All of it.
She just went over with it 3 times.
Yeah.
I understand most of it, but just, I don't know.
Marcus, you're up. I have 180 divided by 3.
7. 3.
3 go into 1.
Yeah. Freaking no.
Okay. I'm gonna put an X here or a 0 or something. Okay, so now I gotta go 3 into 18.
Yeah.
Okay, how many times? Chill out. 3 times? Alright.
No.
What's 3 times 3?
3 times 3 is 9.
Do you think you could maybe go bigger?
Yes.
Okay. So we're gonna change this one?
Yeah, this one. Cause
Or we're gonna change it to?
oh no.
Where's your chart?
Wow.
Fine. How many times 3 go into 18?
6.
Oh. So what's 3 times 6?
2. No, 3 times 6.
Yeah,
18.
18. So what's my next step?
Here it is now.
Well, what's 18 minus 18?
0.
0. So now I gotta bring down my other 0, right? Does 3 go into 0?
No.
No. so it's 0. So that's my answer.
73.
Don't listen to
She
Charles.
She didn't even write it down yet. I'm like 73.
You know what? 7, 3.
Patrick,
Yes,
you have 3
I am here.
to 521.
520. Oh man, that's
Ooh.
a nice juggle on.
Okay, one number at a time. Can 3 go into 5
No.
without going over?
Well, yes.
Okay, how many times?
One time.
1 time.
I was thinking
That
of
would be
6.
three.
Gosh.
3 times 1 is.
3.
So now I.
Take away. 2. And then you bring your 2 down.
Bring my 2 down. Okay, is 3 going to 22
Wait.
without going over? How many times?
7.
3 times 7?
21. 1.
Next step.
Bring down your 1.
3 goes into 11.
9.
9 times?
Yeah, 9. 3.
3 times?
3.
What's 3 times 3?
9. 3. Take away. 2. And then the remainder of 2.
Very good. Do you see how I'm doing this?
Yes.
One number at a time. Charles, you want me to do one more?
I think I got it.
You think you got it? Mackenzie? Shank? Alright, Patrick?
Proceed.
You want me to do one more?
Yeah, I'm gonna need like 81.
How about I give you one?
That's a little
And then
much.
I'll let you practice a few. We'll see where you're at.
Alright.
It's 80 and 20.
Alright, so I'm gonna do 121 divided by 6. I'm gonna do it, alright? So pay attention. 6 go into 1. No, 6 is not going to 1. So I'm gonna put an X or my 0 or whatever. So then I gotta look at 6 into 12. Well, I know 6 times 2 is 12, so I'm gonna put my 2 up here. 6 times 2, well, that's 12. I have to subtract. 12 minus 12 is 0. And I have to bring down my 1. And 6 go into 1. 6 times 1 is 6, so nope. I'm gonna put my 0 up there. 6 times 0 is 0.
So it's 20.
Subtract, and I have a remainder because I have nothing left to bring down. So I have 20, remainder 1. Kind of.
Oh, okay. I didn't put the 0 out there. I just put remainder
Yep, you have to have that 0, otherwise it looks like you have 2, remainder 1.
1. Yeah, that's what I
If you don't have your 0 on there,
That didn't go off too well.
it doesn't matter how many digits I have out here, I just keep bringing down until I get to the last one, okay?
It's pretty simple, actually.
It's not too bad if you follow your steps. So our steps, divide or
Divide.
reverse times. Then I multiply. So what do I multiply?
Multiply the top number and the one number on the side.
Side number
Side number and top.
and most recent top. Would it work if I said last top number? Would that be better than most recent? And your last top number. Okay? So then I subtract, and then I bring down. What do I bring down?
You bring down the
the next number.
The next inside number, right?
And then it repeats number 3.
And then
Well, actually, it just repeats.
then you repeat.
That's why I have to